dear peoples.
Good morning, teacher. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, I'm glad to see you.
Thank you, sit. Now, who is on duty today?
I am on duty today.
Okay. Now, who is absent today?
I'm a bit Kazakh.
Okay. Now, what date is it today?
The 4th of March.
Okay. Now, today, first of all, the new theme is Galymzhan, Moldanazar. Yes? And okay. Now, I want to play the game. Come here. One people. Come. Who is? Okay. You must describe the song singer. Yes? Okay, now the game is the back. Okay, now start.
Kazakhstan's popular singer and
Yes,
Yes.
very good. The next Shengos, come here. Come. Okay, thank you. Back the round. Now. He is Kazakhstan's popular singer. Yes? And okay, very good. Who is she? And describe the singer.
She is national singer.
Now, what kind of do you know song?
Actor.
Qanday әнін білеміз?
May come song. Ayım diken ay, günüm diken ay, özü sulu özü jaz, kümnің jары екен ay.
Kuş.
Jana?
Yes.
Okay.
Very good. Next. Who is she?
She is Kazakh singer.
Yes. She is a girl. Yes.
Yes. Very
And
popular.
very beautiful girl. Yes.
Yes.
And surname is?
Yes.
Yes. Very good.
He is a Kazakh singer. Very popular in the world.
In the world. In the world. What is in the world?
Opera singers.
Opera singers. Okay, very good. Now, all of you, who is he? Okay, now today's new theme is Galymzhan Moldanazar. Yes? And look at the book at page 82 and listen to the text.
9. Student's Book by Ben Wetz and Diana Pye.
Look at the text.
Published and copyright Oxford University Press 2019. ED 3. 3.1. Tune Your Dreams. A. Galymzhan Moldanazar is a well-known musician in Kazakhstan, but it wasn't easy for him to reach his dreams. So how did Galymzhan become the talented singer-songwriter he is today? At school, Galymzhan liked to write songs, but he was shy, so he didn't tell people about them or sing them for anyone. He left school, he went on to study acting, but he quickly left the course because he realized that he didn't want to be an actor. Big moment for Galymzhan was meeting the Kazakh musician Aisa. Together, they made music in a recording studio, and this was the first time that Galymzhan thought about becoming a musician. He wasn't able to study music at college because he hadn't studied it before. Galymzhan had to teach himself everything about music. This took time, and it was very challenging for Galymzhan to find enough money to live on. Galymzhan wanted his music to be sung in Kazakh, and he had to find a band that could play the right style of music for his songs. This wasn't easy, as many musicians didn't believe that his music would be successful. But finally, he found the right group of people, and the band was formed in 2015. Galymzhan's music quickly became popular in Kazakhstan, and has had lots of hits. The music has also been used in films, and the videos for his songs are watched by thousands of people in Kazakhstan and neighboring countries. Galymzhan also had the opportunity to go to New York to sing with the American band Brink of Reality. It was an amazing moment for Galymzhan, especially as one of his songs was performed in Kazakh. Today, Galymzhan is married with 2 sons and is very happy. It just shows that when you work hard and you are determined, you can reach your dreams.
Now, we want the new words. Yes? Singer.
Songwriter.
Songwriter. Yes. Quickly. Okay. Now, I want to divide 2 groups, girls and the boys. Now, who wants to start? Who must start?
Today is popular singer Dimash.
Very good. Mozart group. Yes. Okay. Okay. Okay, girls.
Popular singer 18 years, Rosa Rumaya.
Okay.
Literary group, Rosa Kafan. Kafan group, Omar Al-Biko. Mahojusva.
You read the text, yes, and then do the exercise too. You must find the T and the F.
Музыкально еще тема сопряжения. Я свою говорю, true word. Lots of musicians wanted to form a band with Galymzhan. Band olsa grupta bir ya.
Okay.
That is true. Bize Galymzhan's music videos are only sharing interest. Galymzhan performed his music with an American band in New York.
Girls work. Now, look at the blackboard and check the exercise. How many is mistake? How many mistakes deganimiz qancha qancha bar? Six mistakes. Yes. Now Boys? 2 mistakes. Okay. Now, girls 5 mark and the boys 1 mark. Yes? Now it's shame. Now the next, the second exercise is exercise 3. Now look at the text and find out adjectives in the text. Тексттің ішіндегі параграф 1-2-де көрсетіп қойған, соның ішіндегі сөздер сын есімді аламыз. Сын есім. Now, okay. Its time is over. Girls.
Known by many people, paragraph 1, will know. Very good at something, paragraph 1, talented. I'm not confident, paragraph 2, shy. Not very easy, paragraph 3, challenging. Like it by many people, paragraph 5, popular.
Okay. No, the next Bill, voice. Voice.
Know by many people. Paragraph 1, well known. 2, very good at something. Paragraph 1, talented. Not confident, shy. Not very easy, challenge. 5, I like it by many people, popular. 6, exciting and wonderful, popular.
Okay, very good. Now, okay, very good, girl, boys and the girls. And we have a singer, Ағылшын, come here, and the song, sing song,
Okay.
Okay, now.
Broken heart is all that's left. I'm still fixing all the cracks. Lost a couple of pieces when I carried it home. I'm afraid of all I am. Mine feels like a foreign land. Silence ringing inside my head. Please carry me home. I spent all of the love I saved. We were always a losing game. Small town boy in a big arcade. I got addicted to a losing game. All I know, loving you is a losing game.
Okay, very good. Now, thank you. The conclusion, the lesson is interview. Yes, interview. Now, girls and the boys ask the question, all of you.
What kind of do you like Kazakh singing?
Answer. Boys? Do you like?
Dimash,
I like.
I like Dimash.
Okay, very good. You ask the girls. In Kazakhstan. What kind of popular singer in Kazakhstan?
I like Madina.
Now, popular singer. Who is?
Popular singer Dimash Kudaibergen and then Turehali.
Yes. Okay. Very good. Now, our lesson is over. And exercise home task. Give the home task. Retell the text. Yes? Do you know retell the text? Білеміз бе? Retell. Пересказ, yeah? Retell the text. The home task. Yes? Our lesson is over. Goodbye. Goodbye.